When it comes to finding the best land surveyor in Malleswaram, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a top choice. With their extensive experience and expertise in the field, they have established themselves as a leader in land surveying services in the area. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their commitment to delivering high-quality results and their dedication to meeting the unique needs of their clients. One of the reasons why SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is considered the best land surveyor in Malleswaram, Bangalore, is their team of highly skilled professionals. The company employs a team of experienced surveyors who have the knowledge and expertise to handle any type of land surveying project. Whether it's a small residential plot or a large commercial development, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has the skills and resources to ensure accurate and precise surveying results. In addition to their skilled team, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd also uses advanced technology and equipment to carry out their land surveying services. They understand the importance of using the latest tools and techniques to ensure accurate measurements and detailed surveys. By investing in state-of-the-art equipment, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is able to provide their clients with the most reliable and accurate results possible. Another reason why SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is considered the best land surveyor in Malleswaram, Bangalore, is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize client communication and collaboration throughout the entire surveying process. From the initial consultation to the final delivery of surveying reports, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd keeps their clients informed and involved every step of the way. This level of transparency and dedication sets them apart from other land surveying companies in the area. When it comes to finding the best land surveyor in Malleswaram, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a top choice. With their expertise and experience in the field, SCON Design has established itself as a reliable and trusted provider of land surveying services. Their dedication to delivering accurate and reliable results sets them apart from the competition. As the best land surveyor in Malleswaram, SCON Design utilizes state-of-the-art technology and equipment to ensure precision and efficiency in their surveying projects. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is regarded as the best land surveyor in Malleswaram is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires a tailored approach. Whether it is a residential, commercial, or industrial property, SCON Design takes the time to understand the specific requirements of their clients and provides customized solutions accordingly. Their team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors ensures that every project is executed with utmost professionalism and attention to detail. SCON Design's expertise extends beyond traditional land surveying services. They also offer specialized services such as topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. This comprehensive